Okay, imagine this. It's 7:30 in the morning.
Early.
Very early. Your alarm goes off, you open your eyes, and then you just smile.
Who does that?
Exactly! Who does that?
Nobody I know.
I know someone.
Really? Who?
Our friend Tom.
Oh, Tom.
Tom wakes up early, every day, and he is happy about it.
That is a little bit strange, if I'm honest.
A little bit, yes, but also kind of amazing.
Kind of. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life.
I'm David.
And I'm Anna, and we are so happy you are here with us today.
Whether you're listening on your way to work, sitting at home with a cup of tea, or maybe relaxing on your sofa,
We are really glad you joined us.
this is a calm, friendly place to practice your English.
No tests, no pressure.
Just real conversation, just like chatting with friends.
Exactly. And today we have a very fun and relatable topic.
We do. We're going to talk about habits. Morning habits, to be specific.
And one person in particular, our friend Tom.
Poor Tom. He doesn't know we're talking about him.
He'll never find out. Okay, everyone, let's start. So, David, I need to tell you something. Yesterday morning, I was at the train station, really early,
How early?
7:15.
Wow, that is early. What happened?
I was waiting for my train. It was very quiet. Almost nobody was there. And then I saw Tom.
At 7:15 in the morning? Tom?
Yes, and he was not sleepy. He was not slow. He was walking fast, carrying a coffee, and singing.
Singing?
Quietly, but yes, singing.
Oh my goodness.
I know, and I thought David needs to hear about this.
I do. I absolutely do. Because Tom is one of those people who is what we call a morning person.
A morning person. Can you explain that for our listeners, David?
Of course, a morning person is someone who feels good in the morning. They wake up easily, they have energy, they are cheerful.
The opposite of me.
The opposite of most people.
So let's talk about Tom a little more, because he's not just a morning person. He has some interesting habits.
Interesting is a kind word.
He wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning.
6 o'clock.
Every single day, even on weekends.
That is dedication.
He says it makes him feel more productive.
And does it?
Honestly, I think so. He always finishes things on time. He remembers everything. He never forgets.
Unlike some people we know.
Unlike me, yes. I forgot my umbrella again today.
I noticed. It's raining outside.
I know. I'm a little wet.
A little? Okay, a lot wet. But that's not the point.
Right. Tom. Let's talk about Tom. So Tom also goes for a walk every morning, before breakfast.
Before breakfast? In the cold?
He says the fresh air helps him think clearly.
I have to be honest, I don't think I could do that. I need coffee before I do anything.
Same. My brain doesn't work without coffee.
Tom doesn't even drink coffee, right? He drinks green tea.
Green tea.
In the morning. And he's happy about that?
He loves it. He says it's calming.
Tom is a different kind of human being.
He really is. But you know what? He's one of my favorite people.
Mine too. He's just good.
He's very kind and very patient, and he never makes you feel bad if you're running late.
That's true, even though he is always on time.
Always.
He was on time to our dinner last month, remember? He arrived 5 minutes early.
And we were 10 minutes late.
And he was just sitting there, smiling.
With his green tea.
With his green tea.
Okay, everyone. Did you notice some useful phrases in our conversation?
Let's look at a few of them together. Nice and easy.
The first one, to be honest. I used this when I said, honestly, I think so.
You can also say, to be honest, at the start of a sentence. For example, to be honest, I don't like mornings.
It means you're sharing your real opinion, your true feeling.
It's very natural in everyday conversation. People say it all the time.
The next phrase, kind of. David said, kind of amazing.
Kind of means a little bit, or sort of. It makes the word softer.
For example, I'm kind of tired. Not very tired, just a little.
Or, that movie was kind of strange. It was strange, but not completely.
Kind of is very useful, very natural.
The next phrase is most of the time. I love this phrase.
Most of the time means usually, but not always. Maybe 80 or 90%.
For example, I go to bed early most of the time. Not every night, but usually.
Or, most of the time, Tom is on time. He's usually on time, but maybe not always.
Good. Now let's talk about on time.
On time means at the right moment. Not late, not too early, just exactly when you said.
Tom is always on time. He arrives when he said he would arrive.
The opposite is to be late or to be early.
And another phrase, I don't think so.
This is a polite way to disagree or say no. For example, do you think it will rain tomorrow? I don't think so.
It's softer than just saying no, more natural.
And finally, a little bit, like when I said I was a little wet.
A lot wet.
Okay, a lot wet, but a little bit makes things sound less extreme.
I'm a little bit nervous. It's a little bit cold. This tea is a little bit strange.
Very useful, very everyday. You know, Tom's morning habits remind me of something. Can I tell a short story?
Of course. Everyone, listen to Anna's story.
So, when I was a student, I had a roommate. Her name was Sophia, and Sophia was the most organized person I have ever met in my life.
More organized than Tom?
Maybe the same. She made a list every morning, every single morning.
A list of what?
Everything. What to eat, what to wear, what to study, even what time to take a shower.
She planned her shower time?
She did. 7 minutes, exactly.
7 minutes?
She used a little timer. And one day, I accidentally used her shampoo, just once. And
What did she do?
she added it to the list. Buy new shampoo. Tell Anna not to use my things.
She put it on the list?
With a little star next to it.
A star for importance.
I still feel a little guilty about that.
Poor Sophia. Poor organized Sophia. That is a wonderful story.
I think Sophia and Tom would get along very well.
They would be the most punctual, organized friends in the world.
And I would always be 5 minutes late.
Okay, I have a story too. Can I share?
Please.
So, last winter, I decided to become a morning person. Seriously. I read that waking up early changes your life.
Oh, what happened?
I set my alarm for 6 a.m. On Monday, I woke up. I was proud of myself. I made coffee, I opened the window,
That sounds lovely.
and then I went back to sleep.
Oh, David.
I woke up at 9:30.
9:30.
The coffee was cold, the window was still open, and I was very, very confused.
So the experiment failed.
The experiment failed completely. I don't think so for me and mornings. I'm more of an afternoon person.
That's okay. Most of the time, that's perfectly fine. Wait, I just remembered something.
What?
Tom texted me this morning, just now, while we've been talking.
What did he say?
Good morning. Hope your day is going well. Just finished my walk. Beautiful weather. Have a great recording session.
He sent that before 8 a.m., didn't he?
7:42.
7:42.
And he added a little sunshine emoji.
I love Tom. I really do. But sometimes I also find him kind of exhausting.
That's the most honest thing you've said today.
To be honest, yes.
Okay, everyone, we want to give you a quick tip for learning English.
This is something called shadowing.
Shadowing means you listen to someone speaking and then you try to copy them, like a shadow.
The key is, don't worry about being perfect.
Really, don't. Just listen to the feeling of the voice first.
Listen to the music, the way the voice goes up when someone is surprised, the way it slows down when someone is being honest.
For example, when I said most of the time, it has a nice soft rhythm. Most of the time.
Say it with me. Most of the time.
Most of the time.
Good. That's shadowing. Easy, relaxed, natural.
If you feel nervous, that's okay. Just try again. There's no test here.
And every time you listen, you get a little bit better, I promise.
You know what we think you should do?
Go back and listen to this episode one more time.
The second time, you'll hear things you missed the first time.
Try to listen for the phrases. Kind of. To be honest. Most of the time. On time. A little bit.
You don't need to write them down. Just listen. Let them become natural.
Like hearing a song you like. The more you hear it, the more you remember it.
And pretty soon, those phrases will just come to you naturally when you speak.
That's how real language works. Not from grammar books, from listening.
Okay, so today we talked about morning habits.
And a very special morning person, Tom.
Who wakes up at 6, drinks green tea, and goes for a walk before breakfast.
And sings at train stations.
Quietly.
The point is, Tom is kind, patient, and he has good habits, and we like him very much.
Even if his habits are a little bit mysterious to us.
A little bit, yes.
And the lesson is, English is everywhere in these small, everyday conversations.
About habits, about friends, about forgetting your umbrella.
I'm still wet, by the way.
I know, I can tell.
The important thing is, you don't need to learn English from a textbook. You can learn it from life.
From stories, from friends, from small, real moments.
Just like today.
Before we go, we have a question for you. Tell us in the comments.
Are you a morning person? Or are you more like me, an afternoon person?
Tell us what time you usually wake up, and what's the first thing you do in the morning.
We love reading your answers. Honestly, your comments make our day.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like. It really helps us a lot.
And if you haven't subscribed yet,
please do. We make new episodes every day.
Calm, friendly, real English, just like this.
We'll see you in the next one.
Until then, keep listening, keep practicing,
and enjoy your English. Bye for now.